Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can sign up for Credit Karma. So for those people who do not know Credit Karma is a credit card company. So basically, if you sign up for it, you guys are going to get free credit score and a credit report without any hidden fees. And its register is really simple, fast, and safe. Alright, so no credit card is ever required. So it's pretty simple to register, and you guys get all this feature. So let me show you guys how you guys can sign up for it. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's get on, shall we? First step is start your Credit Karma sign up, and you want to click on the first link over here. After you click on the first link, it's going to take you to the sign up page. Once you're over here, you want to enter the email, whichever email you want to use to link with your account over here. After you do that, basically you enter a password for your account. After you enter the password for your account, click on sign up. Like, it's gonna ask you like your first name, last name, and your SSN number, your social security number. After that, it's gonna confirm your ID, and basically you're done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can sign up for Credit Karma. Hope you guys were able to understand, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.